The Facilities of the Future conference for 2023 will have some great topics in it. We've been planning our agenda. We've got some great speakers on the evolution of the pharma industry and the collaboration in it, and some pretty exciting high-level topics there. And you'll hear some of the technologies involved in Pharma 4.0. You'll get a chance to hear about continuous processing, and you'll hear about cell and gene therapy facilities and how all those things are woven together in the fabric of our industry. So the things I think that people will take away from the Facilities of the Future conference will be insight into the ways problems are being solved by other people in industry, and a chance to engage with those folks during networking breaks in exhibit hall, and just dig into what's the idea behind their solution to it. That, for me, is what really makes that go, is you get a chance not just to hear about it, but a chance to kind of discuss it with somebody and say, but at my place, this is what happens. Well, here's how you would adapt for that. And I think that part of it alone is the reason to sign up and be there. I invite you to come and join me, attend, learn with me, learn with the other participants. I think that you'll get a very enriching experience that will help you throughout your career, and I'd love to see you there.